This thing at daytime. This thing don't do it. Shall we tell you something? It's caught in the crossfire.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your star mom here as always, and today I'm going to be having a very busy schedule. Okay, from the location, as you can see, I'm on my way to the location with my baby girl. Actually, I was told I'm not going to be on set today, being the day one, but I just went there to know how things are going, and from there I'll be heading to other places that you'll find out in this video. Okay, but when I got to the location, I was surprised that they're telling me otherwise. So stay tuned and enjoy this video with me. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you so much and I always love you. But if this is your first time, wow, you're so much welcome. Okay, be part of us by hitting that subscribe button and turning on your bell so I can be notified anytime I drop a video. Okay, don't forget to like this video and also drop your comments down below. Let's enjoy how the day went. Valentine. So you can't greet your auntie, Abby.
This thing at daytime. This thing don't do it.
Don't do that.
I want to show you.
Direct us to make a go wear costume. I said like costume. I was thinking like this. Everything from home away. Guys, what character are you playing? Okay, I'm playing Choma.
Choma.
This
is very funny.
Yes, is she on set today?
Yeah, she is.
I don't think so.
She is.
What? I did, but I was told I'm not on set today. Choma is in their compound. Not her friend is Chidema. Her friend is Chidema.
That's your mind. I think I'm not going to speak.
Please, all the body, my people need to hear what they're saying. He said what? The other people. I'm getting you on camera now. Say that Choma did what?
I don't know. I don't want to give any spoilers.
Okay. So. Oh, okay. Fine, girl. See that today.
The phone there, and I finish our techno.
Samsung. Samsung Galaxy A31, baby. Price it. Go and price this. Go and price this phone in the market. I go get here nothing less than 150K. This phone.
100,000. I'd rather go and buy Idol than use that.
Never. That's shaggy phone now. Jesus. But it's really the last Saturday of the month. I'll be the first.
This Chinese stop doing
sanitation. Every Thursday. Number once a month. So till 10 o'clock as well. Okay guys, they have not even shot anything yet because today is sanitation, so they have to wait till the market is open before they can start filming, or before we can start filming. That's Oluchi. She has changed into her costume. Okay, she's playing the character of a wife to water anger. Val, KPM. I'll do that on the first. I was told that I'll not be on set today. So why not telling me I'll be on set?
You'll be on set because I suggested that you make sure you'll be on set today.
So what if I didn't come now?
There's no how you not come now because I've already scheduled you to be on set. You have like 3 scenes you're going to shoot today.
But they said today that I'll be on set last night. I didn't get the message.
Yes, I didn't send you the message because I wanted to do other people's scene. It was this morning when I slept over it. I realized that I didn't need to be on set this morning. After the scene.
So yeah, the continuity and also the PM of this job.
Yes, and the production manager at the same time. Excuse me.
Oh wow. When I knew this guy back in 2018, was very smooth. very funny, very talented, I must say. Nice. And now he has gone fast. Then he was jumping from one audition to the other. But today he's now the script supervisor, the continuity, and now production manager. That's great. Yes, so before you do it, like be a director. Use your gun. Guys, we're about to start. Like I said earlier, today is sanitation, so it made everybody to hang around, sit, have fun, but now it's about to go down.
But I will thank you for his give us the ability to do what
Amen.
come against every backward spirit, every spirit that's not supposed to delay, anything that's not supposed to be. Father, we destroy the fight night and the name of Jesus. But I will say this shooting today goes smoothly.
Amen.
There is nothing wrong with
the Son and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Alright, it's a preset.
Now let's go to the market. It's called Obogologo Market in Asaba. I need to go there and get diaper for my baby. Okay, his diaper is finished, so let's go to the market together. As I got to the location, I was told that I'll be filming today, so I decided to rush down to the market and get one or two things. I want to buy diapers. Diapers. Good morning. Some diapers. So guys, I bought it for 3,200. No, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you. So guys, we are going. I just bought the diapers. I'm going. So guys, it's really a very busy day for me because from the market I went straight to the house to drop the things I bought and then rushed down to the salon to touch my brow and my lashes. Okay, and from here still I'll be going back to the location to shoot some of my scenes before going back home today.
They are trying to grow your hair. They cut it too. You know it was long before. Take this one. Yeah, this one. Let's go. It was absolute. Let me comb this for you. Do you have brush?
Hi guys, this is your Auntie Constance. She's getting ready for her next shoots on set. Yeah. Auntie Constance, say hi.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
Our makeup artist.
Hello guys.
The very beautiful makeup artist. Say hi.
Hi. Hello. Hello guys.
Follow, what is your handle so that they can contact you?
Guys. Please hello. Follow me on Instagram at Oluchi Adimora. Okay?
I mean, you guys are hearing. If you don't want to be unfortunate. Oh yeah. Tell us your own handle, how they can contact you. Anti-makeup artist.
I need to look fine, Jare.
So guys, this is it.
It's not dark, but
no, it's not dark. Don't worry.
No, it's not you.
This is it. So we'll be back to show you the final look. Take care. So they are calling the artist on set, which is myself and Phil Daniels. All right. Water Anga just entered Asaba today, so he'll be coming to the location tomorrow by the grace of God. Okay, you guys should keep your fingers crossed and watch out for tomorrow's videos. But right now, I'm set and ready to go and shoot my parts with Phil Daniels. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tell me something. So guys, this is the end of the one. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Just be good. Love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and share. Okay, share. Starbob loves you guys so much. Wish me well, okay? Wish me well.
If you get me,
I will give you my WhatsApp line for you to send me all these videos.
Okay, darling. You don't have any problem.